be an 1/8 inch per foot fall.
Okay.
And you can see the pipe here in this window. In the front view, you can see that slope. And let me show you the 36 inches that we used when we drew that pipe. That represents this distance here. The distance from the floor level to the center of the pipe.
Yes, sir.
Is 36 inches or 3 feet.
That's from that starting point.
That's right. That is from the downstream end of the pipe.
Okay.
And as we move upstream, you'll notice that that distance decreases by an 1/8 inch per foot. And you can move that dimension line upstream if you want to. But for now, we'll just delete it and we'll continue drawing some pipe. So that's our building drain. Now we're going to connect our first fixture, which will be this toilet. All I do is set my pointer on the desired pipe size, and I'm going to use 3 inch from this toilet to the building drain. And I'm just going to drag a line downstream to the building drain. When I release the left mouse button, it will recognize the new pipe. And what it also does is it gives me a vertical drain going to the toilet as well. And if I go back to the front view, there's the vertical drain that it added automatically. I drew in the horizontal, and because it knew I'd started on a fixture, it drew in the vertical drain, which we can see in the front view.
Okay.
Okay, let's get an isometric view of that, and that's what we have so far. Now,
and Mr. Poole, one of the reasons that it was able to do that is by design of the software, you have to hit on the center of the fixture, correct?
Yes, you have to start your mouse near that circle of the fixture. Every fixture has a little circle that represents the stack or the fixture drain down through the floor. And that's what that represents. Not necessarily the drain such as the tub drain, but where that drain passes through the floor.
Yes, sir.
Is what we're looking for. Here's another example. Let's say I want to draw a 2 inch pipe connecting that lavatory to the toilet drain. I just start at the circle and drag a pipe downstream so that it intersects with this 3 inch pipe, release the left mouse button, and it automatically recognized the fittings. Now, just to show you something that's built into the software, if you were to draw a pipe from the lavatory downstream and you were to make a connection that didn't result in a recognized fitting, such as, well, we know this is a Y, but this is entering the 3 inch at an odd angle. It's not a 45-degree angle. So the program will not recognize this action because that's not a recognized fitting. See, it just ignored that action.
That line just disappears.
Pardon me?
The line just disappears if it's not a recognized fitting.
It just disappears. That's right, because this would be a very odd Y. It wouldn't, as far as I know, they don't make a Y that comes off at a 22.5-degree angle.
Yes, sir.
So we do that. So you can also come off of any pipe at a 90-degree angle, and of course that's a recognized fitting, and that's a Y. But for now, I'll go back to connecting that lavatory. You can also connect pipes in the front view or the side view. And I'll go back to the front view. Let's say I want to connect a horizontal pipe to this toilet drain or this toilet stack. I can come off.
In reference, Mr. Poole, what you're saying is over to the left-hand side, they've got different views?
Yes.
That, guys? And once again, they can only draw in 3 versions of view, which will be plan view, front and side?
Yes, that is correct.
They cannot draw in isometric or in 3D?
That's right.
Okay.
You can get a view in isometric, but you can't draw a pipe in isometric view.
Okay.
So going back here,